Welcome to another episode of EPMA, everyone's personal makeup artist. Today we have a guest with us, Brenda Carlyle.
I'm Brenda Carlyle, Mississippi's #1 real estate agent.
That's right.
Hey, it is great to be here. I love being in Hollywood. I will tell you that.
You would do very well out here as well.
You know, I am one of the only real estate agents in the continental U.S. who have actually a license, if you will, in every single state.
Wow.
So I can technically sell homes in California. Oh, yeah. So I'm out here doing a little research.
Oh, nice. Mm-hmm. Brenda is joining us because I met her a couple years ago when we were vacationing in Biloxi.
Oh, well, honey, let me tell you what. She was at the craps table. I was at roulette. They mixed up our drink order. We almost started to fight. And then I said, honey, your makeup looks flawless. And she was like, she pulled out some lipstick. The next thing you know, we're best friends for life. Yeah, honey, I love it.
So maybe you'll get me a house while you're here.
Oh, absolutely. I'm on it.
I told her that I get people writing in all the time asking us questions. And this is from Hollywoodland 38.
Oh, okay. Well, he sounds important.
He's important. And he says, I know I'm not your demographic, but still would be nice to have men's care once in a while. I enjoy my hair products. I shop at Ulta for them.
Great.
Pretty please. I'm a loyal fan. Quivering voice and tear. Laugh out loud.
My ex-husband, Richard, okay, while he did cheat on me, we probably could have stayed together if he had better products. You know what I mean? It's all about men need to do self-care too.
Self-care.
So I'm curious to know what kind of products you think men should use.
Well, it's funny because I just went into my husband's bathroom.
Okay.
And I grabbed what he used.
Oh, fantastic.
I like how they smell. I like how they feel.
Yes.
I want to get your ideas.
Okay, great.
Okay, so the first thing, this is something that has been living with us for a really long time, since college, so over like 100 years ago.
Right.
And my dad actually stole it from my husband, which is weird because my dad's like 70. He was in his 60s and he stole a cologne from a 30-year-old.
But see, that's the thing. You know, I got to look out for my grandma. She does that stuff all the time. She steals plates. You know, she steals trivial things. I swear to God, my Keurig was missing. I said, are you serious?
She stole your Keurig?
Lucille, I'll buy you one. Just ask. Yeah.
So Issey Miyake for men, what do you think? It's a classic.
Let me see this. This is for your house. It says pour homie. Home.
That
for your home.
It's for men. It's for men. Oh, look, we have a delivery.
That's what that means?
That's what that means.
Okay, great. I thought that was air freshener. Okay.
Hi.
Oh, hello.
Special delivery.
Great.
Thank you.
I could use you on my real estate team.
Thank you. That was amazing.
You're welcome.
All right, so we got a couple more products to talk about. So the Issey Miyake, I think, is a classic. Your dad might steal it, so if you're down with that. So since that happened, it's just kind of been sitting to the side, and we moved on to Replica.
Okay. Now, Maison Margiela is the top of the line.
Top of the line.
I actually love musky, like men scents.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Yes.
I love wearing a cologne on a Tuesday.
Yes, you're wearing one today.
I am.
wait.
I wear Replica Jazz Club.
Yes, Jazz Club. It has a little tobacco in it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, a little dirt.
A little sandalwood. If something has sandalwood in it, you buy. I don't even care if you don't know what it smells like. If it says sandalwood, get it. Because it smells like money is what it smells like. It does.
This is by the Fireplace.
Which is my favorite place.
Burning wood and chestnuts. You smell good. Your body needs to feel good, right?
Always. That's why I take a lot of uppers.
You do?
Yes, I do. I like to be up rather than down.
Yes.
But that's a little dipsy doozy because then at night you got to take the downers, you know.
How does that work with alcohol? Because I notice you drink every once in a while.
I drink a lot, preferably ice cold Kendall Jackson Chardonnay. I just take the uppers in the morning and then at lunch I start drinking. So it's afternoon I'm on that downward.
Okay.
Yeah, relaxy taxi. You know what I mean? But let's talk about deodorant.
Okay, so oldie but goodie.
Old Spice. You know, this is just like everybody needs. It's like my set of pearls. It's a classic. Everybody's got to have it. You know? Let me smell. Smells like my divorce. So, great. Glad we brought that phantom smell back.
Yep. Teen love, doesn't it?
It smells also like,
like
the JV varsity team. Rock solid bodies.
Brenda.
Not a care in the world.
Brenda.
Come again.
Done with the smells. Now we got to talk about what I love for men. You can go out and you can buy stuff marketed towards women, but I know that some men have a problem with that.
Right.
So there are some cool brands out there that have decided to take the initiative and make men's products. So one is Baxter of California.
I have not heard of this, but I can already tell from the packaging. Now, when I'm trying to sell a home, it is all about the aesthetic. You know what I mean?
Yes.
I'm into this. I'm into the blue. It's kind of a matte blue. Let me smell it. What is this?
You're going to love. Pump it in.
Okay.
Right?
You know what this smells like? Success and a chaise lounge. You know?
Smells like private jet to me.
Oh my God.
Nice, right? And
Gated community, golf membership. Wow. 2 vacuum stoves. One, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Or like 2 vacuums.
Yes.
A lot of Viking appliances.
Lots of Viking appliances.
Double ovens.
Double ovens.
Just go ahead, stick a fork in me. I'm done.
Done.
Bury me.
Yeah, so Baxter, the hand and body moisturizer.
Wow, that's
success.
nice. Yeah.
They also make just an under eye complex.
Which I don't think enough men do that.
Thank
you know,
you.
You're working your tail off. You look tired as all get out. Go ahead and use a cream.
Right, use a cream. Because you can't use a concealer.
Thank you.
Yeah, and some do, but use a cream.
Use a cream.
Use a cream.
Oh, God.
A cream. I love
We could solve a lot more problems in this world if all the men out there would just use a cream.
Here's another one that I love for men. This is Kiehl's going rogue and being for men. Usually everything is pretty unisex, but this is...
You know, and people, especially in real estate, makeup's a lot like real estate.
Yeah.
People always think that the man's buying the home. No, honey, I'm selling to the women. Because the wife is the one who makes the decision.
True.
She's the one who I'm selling to, not the man.
Right.
Yeah, he may cut the check, you know. Or in my world, I'm cutting checks, but you know what I'm saying.
Right. You make it rain, Brenda.
That's right. I love Kiehl's. I've always loved their products.
Kiehl's is like a family member. Don't you feel like
Yes.
you trust them?
Yes.
They make great quality products.
Yes.
The price isn't too high.
But I love everything, and I love when you go in their store and they, you know, they have the lab coats on.
Yeah, the
so
lab coat. Yes.
It makes me feel like you sort of know what you're talking about.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? That's
Yes.
why I wear a gold jacket. You know, I'm half in the bag most days, but
This is an ultra facial oil-free gel cream with fresh hydration. So this doesn't feel heavy. Men
Right.
don't like, you know, when you kiss them with the gloss or you got
Right.
too much junk on your face. This is super light. It goes right into the skin. It makes you look hydrated and it makes you look more awake. And men need that. Thank
among
you.
other things.
Yes. Last but not least, this is not packaged towards men, but I don't think it looks, I think it's very unisex.
Just an essential C cleaner.
That's right, from Murad, and I'm
Yeah.
obsessed with this. It takes care of your skin. Like, even right now, since you're in LA, you were saying that you're...
It's dry.
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like I'm out in Palm Springs without a glass of wine. You know what I mean? I'm dry. You know, and the interesting thing is, I was dating this guy, you know, I went to the University of Mississippi, and I had a boyfriend, and he used a bar soap on his face.
Oof.
I said right then and there, I said, you know what? You don't understand luxury. Don't be a horse's ass. Get something with a cap. Ooh, and it awakens the senses with a burst of citrus.
Yes, because guys just need to, like, scrub off that first layer. They need to wake it up.
Right.
And all these products do that. You know what I mean?
I think it's fantastic.
I think it's fantastic too.
Yeah.
So these would be my go-tos for the men's. Go out, get them. EPMA, Hollywoodland 38. I hope that satisfied you. Brenda Carlyle, thank
Pleasure
you for
to
joining
be
us.
here, honey.
We're so let's go look for houses.
Let's do it.
All right.
I think Bel Air.
Bel Air?
For sure.
Okay, Bel Air. Let's go. Let's go. We're going to go look for houses.
Yep.
You should follow me on Instagram, Jamie Makeup. You should comment below. You should also follow me on YouTube. You should pass this to your friends, but also follow Heather McMahan, aka Brenda Carlyle.
There you go.
Yeah.
Hottie toddy.